talk with my dad because I don't know any of it. Because I just, just see the questions from my dad. Alright. Okay, is there any more questions, please? Like Nia Angrela or like Renalma or Roh Anu or like Rizka Dewi Septiani, please, anybody? Nobody actually. I just super sad today because nobody's answering me. Why?
Yeah, so they should learn English first. After that they can ask you questions, ya. Jadi you should tell them that please prepare questions for me next week.
Please prepare some questions for me next week. So I have a test for you guys for English. So you guys have to prepare some questions for me in the next week, and also you also have to sign what I just said. Like just right now, okay? That's your tugas for today. That's it.
Okay.
I think that's it. Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, siapa itu tadi?
Siapa itu?
Nyanyot deh, dia bilang nyanyot.
Cuaca Palembang
Oke.
cerah. Tadi cana hujan, Pep ya?
Sekarang untuk
Mana ya?
kemampuan kalian membedakan kan kata-kata pakai
Penuh airnya. Mau dimatiin dulu.
kalau simple present tense itu kan pakai s tuh ya.
Apip tadi ngapain? Ikut ngajar apa? Ikut ngajar maksudnya. Latihan ya? Latihan bicara maksudnya ya. Latihan itu tadi. Conversation.